Hi friends, I just wanted to make a quick video on how the video focus session stuff is supposed to work. You can find the basic instructions here on earlyowl.com going to the video sessions tab, but it's pretty straightforward. You just have to create tasks first and then you can join the queue, and then it says here you get randomly selected. Like right now there's nobody using it actively, so if you do queue up you're probably going to be selected and then you join the call. So it's on the dashboard here. As I mentioned, you have to create the tasks first to see this button, which says join video queue. How it works when you're in between sessions is you can join the queue whenever there's a break, and then I believe the person gets selected 5 minutes before the session starts. But since this is now like during a test session, you can just join right away. If you get selected for the video session, you will get a button that shows up like this, and then you can join the video call. One thing that is important to note is that you can't change these settings you can't change these settings after you join the call. So make sure to kind of select the correct settings here, or you have to refresh to reset them. And then you can join the call. And I can now hear myself. Then you can join the call. I'll just show the stream setup as well, but then you show up on the stream. It's not possible to mute your own microphone here, but I am sitting with like director control, so I'll mute us when the session starts. That's it. I will say right now nobody's using this actively, so I don't kind of religiously check the video tab. So if you queue up, there's some chance that I'm going to miss it if you didn't let me know in chat and I didn't respond. But that's it. I just wanted to create a quick video about how the feature is supposed to work. And then generally, if you want to join, a good idea to add your tasks and join the queue when you can in the breaks, and then make sure to join the video call as soon as you can, just so we're not bleeding into the sessions when they're starting. And I think that's about it. I'll just show a quick clip of me and Fraser doing this feature just so we can see it in action as well. Okay, but yeah, it's working. You're on.
I'm on.
You're on. I can hear you.
What's going on?
I mean, what is going on is I'm here to focus. You're a bit late. I will forgive you. You're a bit late.
I was sitting in the room for a good minute, my friend.
You were? Well, I mean, that was a good minute late, right? Because we should be in the room 3 minutes past, I forgive you.
Yeah, I got you.
What I'm doing this session, at least, it's a lot of small tasks. Journaling, daily planning, typing practice, learning Japanese. Those are the daily ones. And then, yeah. And then 2 tasks I want to, like, one is miscellaneous family stuff. I don't know. Just a couple of family admin tasks. And then I want to figure out how to transfer files from one computer to the other so I can update my stream music. That's my bucket list here.
That last one feels very within your wheelhouse.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll knock that one down.
It should be easy. What about you?
I want to get a nurture campaign out of the way. It's kind of been sitting on my list for a little while. It's never been a top priority, but it just keeps bugging me, so I'm going to get rid of it. Just get it done.
Okay. Are you in a different room, by the way? I feel like there didn't used to be a bed. Has the bed come, or?
The bed is brand new.
Okay, so you can sleep between your focus sessions.
Exactly. Yeah, well, I'm about to get kicked out, unfortunately. Joe has declared that Albert now needs a room for himself, so yeah, she's gonna kick me out.
Okay. Well, good luck with your focus. I will mute myself, and I'll mute you. I'm in control of muting you.
Oh yeah.
I'll see you at the end.
Mute away.
Yeah.